Saeed, can you please tell us about that account that happened to you in Egypt?
Yeah, so I used to work in a construction field in Egypt, and we have a huge storage for grains like corn and soybean. And under this storage, there is a very long tunnel. This tunnel is length around 300 feet. So, and I was working one day at night shift, and I was working at the end of this tunnel, and I was alone. So I start to hear some voices, like a noise, some metal hit each other. So I get afraid, and I saw the lighting at this tunnel, the half of lighting, turn it off by itself. And I start to run, check if anything happened. And I got afraid because the guy that works, he said for last year, there's a guy, he was working on the roof and he fall and he died. And this is the storage. So they say the ghost rise at the evening or at night. So, but I haven't seen anything. I didn't see anything.
So what happened is you heard the noises and the lights went half off, you said?
Yeah, but when I get out from the tunnel and I told the story for my friends at work, they said, yeah, the ghost, and the other guy said, yeah, that day was windy, so maybe the wind like hit anything and you get scared.
What made you run away from that place? What was your first impression when you heard these noises and when you saw the lights go off? What made you leave the place?
I don't know, I get afraid because I thought there's actually a ghost in the place. So, but I checked, I tried to see if there's a ghost, but I didn't see it.
Can you tell us in few words in your native language, in Arabic, so our friends from the Middle East can understand your story too?
Yeah, sure. أنا كنت شغال في يوم من الأيام في موقع كونستراكشن في اسكندرية، وفي نفق عندنا في تحت المخزن طوله 300 قدم. كنت شغال في آخر النفق ده، كان شغال في نايت شيفت بالليل الساعة تقريبا 1 أو 2 نص الليل، وكان في واحد ميت في الستورج ده. فالناس بيقولوا انه السنة اللي فاتت وقع من فوق السقف ومات، ففي عفريت بيظهر في المكان. فاليوم ده اللي كنت شغال فيه كنت شغال لوحدي، وابتديت اسمع اصوات غريبة، صوت حديد بيخبط في بعضه، ونص الإضاءة في النفق طفت لوحدها. فأنا خفت، ابتديت أجري أبص يمين شمال أدور على في عفريت أو حاجة موجودة، بس ما شفتش أي حاجة. ولما طلعت من النفق حكيت القصة للناس اللي معايا في الشغل، في ناس قالوا ده العفريت اللي موجود في المكان، في ناس قالوا لا كان في هوا جامد ممكن كان خبط في حاجة، وكنت سمعت الأصوات دي. That's it.
Thank you very much, Said, for your time.
You're welcome.
We hope to see you again, hopefully without ghosts.
Yeah.
Thank you.